Hi guys, welcome back to Piping Welding and DT channel. So again, this is a piping design data, 10 inches and VS nominal 5 size, and piping part dimension and weight. So this is 250 millimeter. So 10 inches is equivalent to 250 millimeter. Okay. So this is a 10 inches and we will start to pipe again. So this is dimension, elbow, dimension, take off 45 D, and reducer, cap. So this is all the dimension, okay, for the 10 inches. And of course, for the 10 inches, we have a dimension of fittings to fittings. So this is also fittings to fittings. And we have a box for the schedule, thickness, and kilogram per meter. So this is the weight. Okay, so take note all these guys. So this is important. And weld the lead by thickness and also by weight. Okay, so this for the 5S, 10S, 20. This is the schedule 30, standard 40, 40S, schedule 60, 60S, extra strong 180. So this is 80, 100, 120, 140, and 160. So this is the thickness, kilogram per meter. 90 degrees elbow, 45 degrees elbow, T-pull, reducer, cap, and stub end. And for the dimension of the flange fittings for the 10 inches pipe, 10 inches dimension. So this is the dimension of the slip-on pipe, slip-on welded flange, elbow, slip-on flange plus pipe plus 90 degrees elbow, weld neck plus 90 degrees elbow, slip-on pipe, weld neck plus T. Slip-on maximum size is 1 inches, weld neck maximum size 1 inches. Okay. So this and this is the by classification. Okay, so this is the ANSI 16.5. So this is the type, and the click by classification 125. FF, what is the meaning of FF? Pull pace, and RF is raise pace. Okay, RF, and we have RJ. So this is a ring joint, RJ, RT ring type joint. This is a RJ ring type joint, RTJ ring, RJ. So this is R ring type joint. The meaning of RJ, raise pace. Okay, and of course we have a bolt, weight, gate, globe valve, and check valve by dimension also. So this is the dimension of the valve. Okay, WHL, and we have a WHL here for the dimension of the valve. Let's say gate valve. So this is the dimension, and globe valve, check valve. So this is the dimension based on also by CL 2500, 1500. So this is based on the CL. Okay, so this is the important. Check first the what classification they have. This is 600, 300, 800, 900. Okay, so all this is for the piping works. So that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye, see you next time. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding and DT channels. So piping design data, NPS 8 inches, and we have millimeter 200. Okay, so this is a piping parts dimension and weight. Okay, so for this pipe we have ANSI B36.10, 36.19, fittings ANSI B16.9. Okay, we have a 5 here, so they have a dimension 90 degrees elbow, 45 T, reducer, cap, and minimum pipe. Okay, for this pipe, so this is the outside diameter for the 8 inches, so 200 millimeter. So we have also a radius 100.9.6, 90 degrees elbow, long radius, short radius 304.8, 203.2 for the short radius, and 45 degrees elbow we have 127 for the 8 inches NPS, and T 177.8. so this is the size of T, 6 inches 5 and 4. We have also reducer, so this is the dimension of reducer and the dimension of cap. So please take note all this, guys. So this is a very important. So this piping design data is up to 72 inches. So we will discuss that one later. Okay, so please focus for this 8 inches, and this is the dimension of reducer. Okay, this is a fittings, reducer T elbow. So this is the dimension required by ANSI. Okay, so this is a required by ANSI. So this is the fittings, and of course this is an fittings and elbow. Okay, fittings and 45, and we have this is a eccentric reducer, and of course for these fittings they have a dimension of weight. So take note this all, guys. And this is also a weldolette. So weldolette, okay, so this is the dimension of weldolette, and the thickness is standard 6XS, and we have schedule 160. So this is the weight of the standard XS, so 10.6 and 16.8 and 20.4 for the, so this is for the NPS 8. Okay, please take note that one. So 8 inches NPS, and these all the fittings and weight I said later, and they have a scheduled thickness, weight. So this elbow 90/45, T, reducer, cap, and stab end. So take note all this, guys. So this is a very important, of course, for the piping works. And so this is the flange and flange fittings, so the dimension. Okay, weld neck flange size, slip on weld neck T, slip on plus pipe, weld neck plus elbow, so slip on plus pipe plus elbow, and slip on pipe, and this is a weld neck. Okay, and this is the dimension required for this fittings to pipe. Okay, so this is the fittings to fittings. So this is that table required by ANSI. So this is a very important, of course, for the piping works, and of course this is for you, Pipefitter, and all the working for the piping works, like the designer, inspector, QC, piping, supervisor, manager. So this is required for all staff. Okay, and we have for this box we have a bolt. So this is also weight, gate bulb. So that one is the dimension required. Okay, we have a check and globe bulb. So this is bulb dimension. Of course, we have open and open. So this is open, and ANSI B16.10 by ANSI B16.10. Okay, so for this dimension, for example, we have For example, this is a weld neck plan. So letter B, what is the dimension of letter B? So this is based on the classification 300, 125, 600, 300, 600, and 900, 1500 to 2500 classification. Okay, let's say let's say this weld neck plans, letter E. Okay, this is okay. If classification 600, this is numbering of dimension 139.8. okay, and for the letter B, so this is a 662.0, the dimension of this letter B. Okay, so then let's check this next SLE1 plus 5. For the letter F, okay, classification, let's say this is classification, this letter F, and the classification is 300. We have the dimension of 414. Okay, so this is how to reading this box based on this dimension and based on the classification, of course, up to 125 full pace, up to 2500. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Take note all this, guys, and more videos coming up for this piping design up to 72 inch NPS. Bye bye, see you next time, and God bless you all. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So piping design data, so NPS 6 inches. So this is 6 inches our nominal pipe size. So again, this is a piping design data, piping parts dimension and weight. So in millimeter, this is 150 millimeter. Okay, so pipe, we have a pipe elbow 9045T reducer, and they have a different dimension, of course, for the pipe. So this is the outside diameter 168 and radius is 84. Okay, so this is the take-off 90 degrees elbow for 6 inches LR and SR. So 228.6 and 152.4 for short radius. And this is for the 90 degree 45 degrees elbow 95.3. So this is T, take-off T for 6 inches, of course. And this is fitting to fittings connection, and with dimension, of course. And this is also fittings to fittings connection. They have 45 to 45 degrees elbow, eccentric reducer, and this is 90 degrees elbow. Okay, and this is T. This is the column of T with size and with take-off also. So this is 5, 4, 3 and 2.1. so this is the dimension for the T. And for the reducer, this is the dimension of reducer. This is the dimension of cup, 88.9. So for the 6 inches, the minimum pipe is also 50 above, not 50 below. Okay, if you connect fittings to pipe and also fittings 90 degrees elbow, you must connect a 50 dimension. Okay, 50 above. So this is also stub end, and there is a dimension of the stub end. Okay, for these fittings, this is the dimension of fittings of weight for the 6 inches. Okay, for the 6 inches, so this is it, the column. For the 5, We have schedule 5S, 10S, 40 standard, 80, 120, 160, and double XS. Thickness, so this is the thickness for this schedule. In millimeter, 2.77. In 5S, 10S, 3.40, 40S is 7.11, 80S, 10.97, 120, 14.27, 160 is 18.24, double XS is 21.95. And this is the weight for kilogram per meter. Okay, 11.3, 13.8, 28.27, so 42.57, 54.21, and this is 90 degrees elbow, 45 degrees elbow, and T. So this is it. So please take note all this one. So this is a very important for the piping works. And this is the weldolet with the thickness and also weight standard XS and schedule 160. Okay, and we have so this is the dimension of plants and fittings, so that one. And of course they have a classification each of the dimension. So this is the dimension. Okay, so please take note all this one, guys, and very important for the piping works. So for the slip on, so this is SO slip on plus pipe, weld neck plants, SO pipe, weld neck plants plus 90 degrees, SO pipe, weld neck plus T. And you can see all the dimension from this table. And they have also both weight and gate bulb for the dimension. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So this is for you, Pipefitter, and of course all related in the piping. This is a simple information, and this is a very important in piping works. Okay, so this is piping design data, and we have nominal pipe size 5 inch. Okay, so in millimeter this is 125 millimeter. So in piping parts dimension and weight, we will start from pipe. So this is pipe in ANSI B36.10 and 36.910, but 12 fittings ANSI B16.9. So this fittings is for butt weld. So the meaning of BW is butt weld. Fittings 36.19 and 16.9. So this is for 5, 36.10. Okay, so we will start from 5. So this is for nominal 5 size inch. So this is the outside diameter for the dimension. Okay, they have 141.3, and the radius is 70.65. Okay, next for the elbow, so this is 90 degrees elbow. They have LR and SR. So LR is long radius and SR is short radius. In LR we have a 190.5, SR 127. Okay, so this is a 45 degrees, 79.4. So this is for 5 inch. Okay, 5 inch, 125 millimeter in millimeter. Okay, so next is T. So this is a takeoff of T in 5 inch, 123.8. So this is the table of 40. We have a size of 432 and 117.5, 111.1, 10.8. and this is for the reducer. So this is the number for the dimension of the reducer. Cap dimension, so this is a minimum 5 for 5 inch, so we have a 50. Okay, so this is a 50. So it means if we have a fittings to fittings, so this is a concentric reducer and we have 90 degrees elbow, we will connect for the minimum. If we will install the 5, we will put a minimum of dimension 50, no other than lower. Okay, lower 50, this is not acceptable, so minimum 50 up. So this is stub end, this is in dimension, and we have a weld gillette. Okay, in the weld gillette they have a thickness and weight. Okay, so this is it. So this is thickness. So we have standard XS, schedule 160, and WXS 50, 57.2, 57.2, 93.7. This is the weight of this weld gillette. 4.6, 4.7, 6.5. Okay. Now this is, we have an, so this is a table, fittings of 8 kilogram. So we have a pipe here, elbow 90, elbow 45, T, reducer cap, and this is the weight based on the thickness. Okay, let for example on the 5, schedule 9, this is schedule 5S, 10S. Okay, standard 40, 120, double XS. So this is a thickness. Please take note that one, this is a kilogram per meter. Okay, so this is it. So in 5S we have a 2.77 millimeter thickness, and the kilogram is 9.46. Okay, per meter. Okay, kilogram per meter. Okay, and of course also 90 degrees elbow, and we have a cap and a stub end. So please take note all this. So this is a very important information. Okay, so this is fittings to fittings, connecting. So we have a reducer T, elbow reducer. Okay, and they have a dimension there, and they have an dimension also here. So also this one, so connecting to fittings, elbow 45, and reducer. This is some dimension. So this is a specification for all fittings to be connected. Okay, next is flange. So this is a flange and flange fitting. So that one is the dimension. Okay, SO, meaning of SO, slip on flange plus pipe, and all these A, C, D, and they have a dimension here. Okay, so weld neck flange, slip on flange, pipe plus 90 degrees elbow, weld neck flange plus 90 degrees elbow, slip on flange plus pipe plus T, weld neck flange plus T, and weld neck plus maximum size of pipe in 1 inch. So this is the table of all these flange and fittings dimension. So this is a flange ANSI B16.5 bulb and ANSI B16.10. So this is it, the dimension. Okay, let for example we have SO plus pipe. So A dimension of this, slip on flange, slip on A dimension A. So this is the dimension based on classification. We have a 25, classification 300, 600, 300. Okay, based on, like for example we have a dimension A class 600, so this is the dimension 330 for this. Okay, well, please take note that one all, and this is a very useful in the piping works. Okay, this is it. So we have also and bolt, weight, gate, globe, and check bulb. So this is all bulb, check bulb, globe bulb, gate bulb, and we have also weight, bolt. They have a diameter of bolt, stud, machine bolt. Okay, based on classification of course. So, and of course they have a dimension of bulb here. So this is the dimension of bulb, and check from here all from the table. Check here what is the dimension and based on the classification. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and just leave in a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So this is abbreviation, piping abbreviation. Okay, we will start it in AG. The meaning of AG is above ground. Okay, ARRGT, this is arrangement. ATM, atmosphere. BF, blind plants. BL, battery limit. BOP, bottom of pipe. BUT, this is butterfly bulb. Okay, and BW, butt welding. So this very important abbreviation. Okay, so please take note this one all, because during interview, sometimes this is a #1 topic for the interviewer, this piping abbreviation. Okay, so please take note all this: check bulb, center line, concentric reducer. Okay, and connection, continuation. The example of question is, what is CR, what is CS, like that. Carbon steel. CSC, this is car sealed close. Okay, bulb. CSO, car sealed open. Okay, so we have also drain, diameter, discharge. Okay, DN, the meaning of DN, this is always see in the isometric drawing. So this is DN, nominal diameter. So E is, okay, and they have also eccentric reducer. Okay, elevation, electrical. So this is piping abbreviation. Okay, so next is, so please take note all. So make up length, millimeter, midge line, minimum, this is minimum. So LR, so long radius. LO, lap open. LF, lap plunge. Okay, this is all abbreviation in the piping. Also you will see also this one in the isometric. LC, lock, close. So this is the meaning of found. Okay, the abbreviation, I mean. Okay, instrument installation, hose reel, hose connection, globe bulb, gate bulb. This is FB, full bore, flat base, plans, fixed joint. Okay, take note all that one, guys. So next, so this is all. North, normally closed, normally open, number, nozzle, national, pipe thread, nut to scale, nominal bore, NB. Okay, OD, outside diameter. power socket, the PNID. Oh, this is important. Piping instrument diagram. Okay, PNID. Platform, pipe support, PS. Okay, radius R, RF raise space, RO restriction, orifice, RTJ ring type joint. Okay, this one south. Sample connection, schedule 5 screwed, sleeve on flange, short radius, SS stainless steel, ST steam trap, STD standard, structural suction, socket frame, and this one is symmetrical. Okay, so this is number one important in the piping. So this one, please take note. All this, also this one, loaded. Okay. Guys, please take note of this one, guys. Utility connection, underground. So this is also number one question by interviewant. TYP, this is a typical. Okay. So that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe in and just leave a comment if you have a comment for this abbreviation, piping abbreviation. And see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye and have a nice day. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So we have another question here. So this is regarding triangle. So this is our triangle and we have a given of 45 degrees and we have a given of 17 inches. Okay, 17 inches and we have a given of 45, and this both side is 90 degrees. So this is another question by our friend. I think he is coming from Saudi Arabia, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So this is his question, and they want to send they send me this question and they want to solve it for him. Okay, so my friend, so this is for you. I will solve it and I will give you the formula for this, how to compute this triangle. Okay, we have a question, we have a 3 question here, 1 2 3. So this is the questions. Okay, we have a 3 questions. Okay, my friends, so this is for you. So first we will compute it, these questions. Okay, number 1 question. So this is number 1, number 2 and number 3. Okay, so to get this number 1, all you have to do is, we have a given of, so this is, we have a given of 45 degrees, and so this is 9, we have a 90 degrees. Okay, so first is multiply it to, first procedure, so you will know what is a 1.414. Okay, so this is the very important 1.414. Okay, please take note that, and we will multiply it, this 1.414 in the 45 degrees. Okay, to get this question number 1. Okay guys, so using this calculator we will get that one. Okay, so first 17 inch, 17 multiply it to 1.414. Okay, so and the answer is, we have answer of 24.038. Okay, just multiply it 17, multiply it to 1.414, because we have a given of this 45 degrees and we will use it this 1.414. 17 multiplied to 1.414 equals 24.038. So we have now an answer of number 1. So this is 24. Okay. So next is number 2. We will find it number 2, and the formula for that is we have a formula to find the length of sides and when the angle is known, or when the angle is given. Okay, so we will find this number 2, and we have a formula set equals to travel multiply it to sine. Now we have an answer for this 24, so we will use this, we will use it this 24. Okay, so 24, using this calculator, 24 multiply it to sine, we will use this degrees, 45 degrees. Okay, sine 45, and the answer is and we have now an answer. Okay, so this is a 16.9. Okay, this is our answer number 2, 16.9. So we will round off this one for the 16.9. We will round up this 6, so this is a 17. So we have an answer of 17. So number 2 is 17. And of course, this number 3 is the same answer. Okay, so this is also a 17. So this number 3 also 16.9. So round up it to, so this is a 17, 17, 17, 17, 17. So we have a square, and this is answer. Our answer from this is 24. So we have a given of 45 degrees. Okay, guys. So don't forget for that. This is a very important, the 1.414. Okay, and the formula of this to find this set. Travel multiply it to sine. Okay. So this is a very simple, and this is very useful in the Pipefitter, and not only for the Pipefitter, for the all aspect of piping. Also piping engineer, they are using this one, piping inspector. Okay, piping supervisor, foreman, they are also use this formula. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and just leave a comment, and don't forget to like my video. Okay, guys, thank you very much and have a nice day. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.